Mary's with me under the RV. We have a nasty problem. We closed the gate here, if you can see that. And sewage still comes out of the sewage tank, the black tank. So I'm guessing it's got to be that valve right here. You can see I had to cut back this, I forget what it's called. I want to say Celotex. It's not Celotex. It's like the boards that political billboards are made out of. They're stuck in yards and stuff. I forget what it's called. It's like a plastic corrugated deal. And anyway, I don't know if poop's gonna come out here. Actually, it shouldn't. I washed it out, but there could be something nasty in there. That's the last bolt. I have no idea how to get this gate out of here. Put this over there. 7/16 bolts, by the way. That's probably standard. Oh, hey, look at that. There it goes. Oh, there goes some poopies. Oh, I'm keeping away from that. Oh, yeah, there's some sort of sealant. Oh, it's starting to stink. Yeah, I'm starting to smell it. There it goes. It's starting to dry. Oh, it's on my phone. I need the alcohol. All right, we got the gate out though, folks. Oh, I hope you enjoyed. There's a couple seals here. I'll show you what this looks like in case anybody's having fun doing this. There's a couple seals, and there's a gate. And it's not the seals leaking, otherwise it would have leaked down through here. It came out of the tube. It's got to be the gate. So I'm going to get the part number off this gate. It is a 3-inch valve, cable actuated bladex valve. So there you go. That was fun. My phone down with isopropyl alcohol. Want to demonstrate how I know this is the problem. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and close the gate. When it closes, you can still see an awful lot of opening through there. I don't get it. And I wonder if I take that rod off and then just push it farther, maybe I don't even need a new unit. I could adjust that rod, or I can adjust it somehow down here, probably by that nut. I'm going to try that first. I have the cable disconnected. I just want to show that it does close considerably farther. Now that may fix it. I'm going to contemplate this for a while because I may as well replace it, but if this is going to fix the issue, I may just stick with what I have here and adjust this cable. Okay, I found a way to adjust for further throw, and that is that right there, that nut. And there it is open, but when I close it, it closes all the way now, but I still have a crack. I don't know if you could see that right on the side there. Now I don't know if that gasket will cover that or not. Okay, since I brew beer, this is safe for kegs and rubber O-rings and things. I think I'm going with the option of trying to lubricate what I have and give it a shot instead of spending $70 on a new valve. I'll just put a bunch of this here, and here we go. Everything's lubricated, clean. It's not dripping poop water. Gate has been adjusted, and it is closing very nicely. Let's see if I can get this in here without ruining this gasket. Okay. I suppose the benefit of having a cable actuated valve like this is that the valve is behind the insulation, which means you can camp in a colder atmosphere without freezing your crap, literally. But I, for one, don't care about that because I'm not going to be out in cold weather like that. And if I was, it would be warm enough during the day to thaw. But I would suggest, if you're a normal camper, don't buy this type of valve, because normally, as you probably already know if you're watching this, the valves The valves are usually located right near the dump handles, which is out near the side of the camper, not underneath the damn camper. Alright, here we are. I got the gate valve replaced. You can see the valve is sticking out quite a bit. I hope that is only because I adjusted it to be so. Hopefully it's bottoming out. It's a little bit more difficult to close. Probably got them bolts a little tight, but I'm okay with that. Okay, here we are 10 minutes later. I'll give it a test to see if it's seeping through. Dry as a bone. So I will just sit overnight and then we'll give it a go. See how it goes.